Dear students, myself Dr. Naina Sharma, faculty in the Department of Distance Education, Punjabi University, Patiala. I am here to talk about the various courses this department is offering for the students related to psychology. Psychology, as we all know, is the science of human behavior. It aims to understand, to explain, predict, and control human behavior. Once you are a psychologist, that is, that you take psychology at the graduate level, then you pursue it at the postgraduate level and do some MPhil or PhD work, you become a full-fledged counselor. And as you all know that in today's scenario, the scope of psychology is very vast. You can be a psychologist or a counselor in the field of sports, in the field of school counseling, or you can be a psychologist in the healthcare settings. You can work as a counselor in the field of criminology, or there are ample opportunities wherever there is a human behavior, wherever you want to optimize the human potential, there needs a psychologist. And of course, industry is one of the growing areas where we all understand that placement, selection, and job satisfaction are all associated with the working of a psychologist. Now, what we are offering is, number one, we offer psychology at the undergraduate level. You can opt for psychology as one of the elective subjects. And in this elective subject, it's very practical in nature. We have practicals as well as theory. So for the practicals, you will be glad to know that our department has a very well-equipped laboratory. And in this laboratory, we have a mission to prepare our students to become to be very confident about the fundamentals of psychology. They actually perform the practicals and they understand how to assess the human behavior. Maybe it is related to personality, motivation, intelligence, or mood disorders like depression, anxiety, or stress. So the good news is that when you do take up psychology as one of the elective subjects in the Department of Distance Education, you already have a laboratory where you can hone your skills to be a psychologist for the future or the future coming years. Now I would explain that what all papers we have in the first year of graduation, second year and third year. In the first year, we'll be teaching you about the general psychology. That is, what is the nature of psychology, what is the scope of psychology, and what are the theories related to psychology, and especially the chapters like personality, motivation, intelligence will be of great interest to the students. In the second year, we'll be more focused upon the experimental nature of the psychology. That what is memory, what is forgetting, what are the factors associated with forgetting, what is sensation, what is perception. So that's all more a scientific approach. In the third year, that is in the fifth and sixth semester, you would be reading more about psychopathology. That is how the classification of mental disorders is done, what is mood disorder, what is schizophrenia. So all these things, what are the causes associated with it, and of course the most interesting part that all the students always love it is the approaches on or the psychotherapies associated with it, like how we can overcome depression, what are the basic psychotherapies involved in it. So dear students, if in case you opt for psychology at the undergraduate level, you prepare yourself to take up the course at the post-graduation level. So your fundamentals, your principles would be clear if in case you take up psychology. Plus, you can compete in any kind of competitive examination if in case you have psychology as one of the subject, because it is very scoring. And then you can also go in for B.Ed or the special education B.Ed courses, because anyways, if in case you understand the human behavior, you can be a wonderful teacher. So dear students, heads up, you can take up psychology at the undergraduate level. Next is what else the department is offering are the two counseling courses, postgraduate diploma courses. One is the postgraduate diploma in HIV/AIDS counseling, and the second is the postgraduate diploma in counseling for substance abuse prevention and treatment. Now, both the courses, the structure is the similar. That is, we have 3 theory papers, and one is the dissertation that the students have to make on the basis of the field work. So you learn by going into the field, by actually conducting the research work and understanding the theory and the practice side by side. If in case you take up HIV/AIDS counseling, you can become a counselor in any of the ICTC center or ARTC center, or you can be engaged in any of the project that is being offered by NACO related to targeted intervention programs. And then the second is, as the name suggests, that it is the postgraduate diploma in counseling for substance abuse prevention and treatment. You can work as a counselor in any of the rehabilitation center, in any of the drug de-addiction center, in any of the school who are working on the prevention programs or the risk taking to reduce the risk of the adolescents in the schools or in the colleges. So dear students, this is what we have right now in the department, and you can pursue psychology as one of the, if in case you're interested in understanding yourself, involving also like in becoming a better person, in regulating your own emotions, this subject is definitely going to help you. Thank you so much.